Let's go to the portal, just a brief overview of what the portal has to offer. So basically, the portal has access to two main parts of service. So from one side, it's a front end for the relationship with neuroscientists. So it's a kind of what we call a client relationship management system. So if you are a neuroscientist and you want to apply for a project for time in the machine, so you can use the portal. So you don't need to, to come here and talk to people. You can do it, of course, but you can use the portal for that. It's also you can also request time using this portal. You can also see if it's scheduled or not, manage your scheduling, also access to the statistics, see how many patients you have already done, gather that information. And then we are also offering what we call brain imaging specific common services. So these are services that we have been finding that people, neuroscientists want. For example, simple query on the data that is on the system. Also basic visualization of images. Another area is providing access through the virtual private network. So if I'm not in the center where there is a connection direct to our private infrastructure, I want to connect and to see what's going on. I can do that using the virtual private network, so I can be anywhere in the university or anywhere at home even. I can do that. Also, we have the remote disk. I will show you a little bit about the remote disk and the remote workstation. So let's go to, well, of course, the big portal starts with a public website that you can visit. It's very easy, it's brainimaging.pt. Then you can get into the system. So this is already, you have to authenticate yourself, so it's not open to the public. You have to register if you want to become, to have a way to get into the system and to apply for a project, etc. Then you can, once you are authenticated, you can create projects. Then you can schedule projects, select your modality, the modalities you will need for your project, how many hours you want to schedule, what are your favorite days, etc. So you can do all that. And you can see here a list of all the facilities that we have. So it's not only an MRI machine, as you may understand. It's a lot of different equipment around. This is a view of the scheduling. So here you can manage your scheduling, can see where is your schedule time being done, who is using, and what is the scheduling available of the machine through the months. And then you have the common services to the user. So I already told about the query and basic visualization, then remote disk, workstation, desktop. This is basically the same thing, but using different technology than the VPN and the telepresence. So let's go through data query. So you can have forms to query your data, to look for specific patients of a project, to look for specific patients that have a specific particularity in the description of their diagnosis, etc. Of course, the names here are not there, but this was a search for a specific filter. Then you can just visualize through a web viewer the information. This is basic visualization.